What is up, everyone? Welcome back to the Crypto Blitz, your home for your crypto fix. I'm your host, Ripple Van Winkle. Hopefully, everyone's having an amazing day. We are halfway through the week. It's Wednesday, February 19th. You know what that means. Live stream tonight, 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Make sure you tune in. We're going to have a banger tonight. There is so much going on in the crypto space. A lot of it has to do around Ripple and XRP. I hope you're paying attention. We're going to go over this and we're going to go through all of it. There's a lot. There's a lot. I don't want to give it away. We're going to jump into it, though. This is going to be an action-packed video. So without further ado, folks, sit back, relax, and let's jump into it. Bitcoin coming in at $96,326. It's currently up 0.62% in the past 24 hours. Ethereum coming in at $2,727. It's currently up 1.43%. XRP still holding down at number 3 spot, coming in at $2.60. It is currently up 0.99% in the past 24 hours as both stablecoins remain above $1. Total cryptocurrency market cap still floating. Ooh, can't speak this morning, at $3.16 trillion. We saw a little bit of a dip. You saw the fear on Twitter, on TikTok, on social media. It's over. The bull run is done. We're entering a bear market. And what has happened? Well, the whales accumulated even more of these crypto assets during this dip. We talked about this narrative before and what is going on in the markets. This is called market maker manipulation. They are holding the prices down. They are holding these prices in a very tight range. Why? Simple. This is where the market makers make most of their money. Every time the price goes down, they set the spreads even lower, and they pretty much are just wash trading all the way back up to the current levels we were just at. This is why I state during these times, if you cannot handle it, if it gets to be too much, before you make an irrational decision, just look away and come back in a couple of days and everything is going to be back to normal. We are seeing normal levels come right back to the markets. We are seeing these downward turns starting to come to an end. We are seeing prices starting to recover. Are we out of the woodworks just yet? Yeah, time will tell. It doesn't take 24 hours to notice if we're out of the woodworks. Give it a couple of days, maybe even to the end of the week. Let's see what the weekly candle produces for us. But yet again, Bitcoin, 90,000, we've been telling you for the past 8 months, was the bottom. And we are in that mid $90,000 range where they are likely to hold Bitcoin for a few more days, maybe weeks, before the market makers let it breathe and it's set to explode. Now, folks, if you have not grabbed your TLN token yet, it is on Bitmart, Ascendex, Uniswap, and is being listed on LBank today. If you buy it on LBank, you will be part of an airdrop. It's that simple. You buy, you get free tokens. This is going to be our in-game currency for the Web3 gaming hub. Here's the trailer. I'm going to blow it up. This is King of the Jungle. It is already live in its phase 2 rollout. This is a trading card game based on the XRP ledger and Arbitrum. You hold these NFTs. Phase 3 will be done by the end of the month, where you can actually start wagering in the game. You can start playing to earn and minting these NFTs as you win them. Competitions, Twitch, tournaments, you name it, it is coming. Start learning to play today. It's free to play. You can play on PC or mobile. It doesn't matter. Get involved. This is going to be one of the largest games out there. And I put this one out there. Wait, everyone's crying about the dip. But no one is talking about the real story. Fort Knox might be running dry, while other nations are loading up on gold. Folks, smart money. They know what's coming. What's your move during this dip? Are you stacking? Or are you in that panic boat? I know what I'm doing, folks. Ondo, Let's talk about it. You know, I'm very big on Ondo. I was able to buy the recent dip, almost got in at the floor pricing. 99 cents was the floor. I was able to scoop it up at a buck seven. It states that Ondo price holds 22% gains, but it's struggling right now to break a key resistance level slash area, which all of crypto is failing to break. But I do believe Ondo is going to produce a huge return. That's not financial advice. It's my personal opinion on it. They are working with BlackRock. They are working with Ripple for tokenized assets, bonds, stocks on the XRP ledger. This is one of those tokens that Donald Trump and his team from World Liberty has bought a ton of. If Trump and the team are buying it, you know Rip is buying it as well. You know the saying, follow the smart money. Now, Lee put this out. Whales bought 150 million XRP in the last 48 hours. What do you think the whales know? Why are the whales buying more and more XRP if they think that the bull run's over, that we're going into a bear market? This is the same thing as BlackRock. Why do you think BlackRock just purchased 30,000 Bitcoin? 30,000 Bitcoin at $97,000 per Bitcoin. Let's do some simple math here. 30,000 times 97,000 puts you over $2 billion. They just dropped almost $3 billion. BlackRock just dropped into Bitcoin. Do you think BlackRock thinks that the bull market's over? I don't. BlackRock knows that we're going to go up. They got in at 97. Yeah, they're sitting at a little bit of a loss, but they don't care about that little bit of a loss. If we were going to see a major correction, say 97 to 80, that's almost a 20% down, they would have waited to purchase. But they know that the sign, the signal from the market makers to let this thing breathe and to let this thing run is coming to an end very soon. Squeaky Mouse put this out, and I like his TA. He sends it to me a lot. Make sure you give the old Squeaky Mouse a follow. He says XRP's next move should be much larger than the recent one during the long consolidation. This move will likely begin last time like bouncing off the 30-day EMA. You can see the last move was here was a 70% move to the upside. You can see we're in right here. And he's believing once we get around the 30-day and we bounce off around that 255 region, that we should see an even bigger move than we did last time. So bigger than a 70% move, which can take us up over $4. The fun begins for XRP once we break above and out of that $3 region. The $3 region is the all-time high region. It's all over the place in there. No one can pinpoint it. David Schwartz even stated he thought it was like 283, right around there, and we see the bounce and the retest and the struggle at 282. That's where I believe the all-time high was, but a lot of these coin market caps, Livecoin, WatchCoin, Gecko, even some of these exchanges have it in the $3 area. I mean, some 330, 360, 370. So once we get out of $3 and we see a $4 XRP, the fun will begin and the price discovery will kick in. Woke up at 3 a.m. to read that, hey, President Trump might be backing XRP. We know he's backing Ripple. I never thought I would see this day. I've been holding since 2017. Folks, it is getting wild out there. This is everything we could have dreamed of. A crypto president. The crypto president wanted to make the U.S. the leader in the race for cryptocurrency, backing Ripple, speaking with Ripple, inviting Ripple to the White House. We're talking Stuart Alderati and Brad Garlinghouse. What do you think this means for the future of XRP, especially within the US, especially with Ripple on our hiring frenzy over here? Crypto is here to stay, and he is going to support and back all of these US companies and US assets. Here's the article coming over from CoinDesk that real Donald Trump shared an XRP related article on Truth Social. Here it is. I'm sure we got the picture in here somewhere. We don't. They didn't put the picture up. I got it in the tweet, but he put out and retweeted an article on it talking about Ripple and XRP. Let me come on down here. There it is. Boom. This is Donald Trump's real account on Truth Social talking about Donald Trump's effect to bump Ripple Labs and their US deals and talking about XRP. Folks, this is massive. This is super bullish. I can only wonder what the rest of this year is going to look like for not only for Ripple in adoption and what major banks or maybe even the Fed and who they're going to work with, maybe even gold plays a part into here, and XRP possibly backed by gold. Are you kidding me? The thoughts that are going through us XRP holders' heads right now is wild. The dreams are all becoming reality. The speculation is becoming reality. Trump talking about Ripple and XRP. Apparently, Ripple is just a retweet. A retweet, it means a lot. That means that they are supporting it. If they didn't support it, they wouldn't retweet it. Think about this for a second, everyone. This is absolutely massive freaking news. I can't wait to see where this goes. I can't wait for these ETFs to get approved. I have never been more bullish in my life than I am right now. I'm going to leave it like that. Wash your damn hands. Be nice and be kind to each other. Ripple Van Winkle is out.